Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to create a business account for Shopify, so let's start. You can do it with easy mails. How do you create an email address for business or professional use? Not only at gmail.com. Instead of this, we can use info at yourcompanyname.com. This is very important to look professional as business, because if you want to turn a company, you really want to have a business email. So with easy mails, as I told you, you can do it. I'm here on the principal page. Just scroll down and you will find here the packages. We have 4 packages. Just go to the first one. The first one is $2.99 per month. This gives you a 30-day money back guarantee, and not only that, with our link in the description below, you will get the 80 off percent. So that's amazing, guys, because this will be truly free. So just click here on order, and you will find here the benefits. You have the benefits to mailboxes, unlimited data traffic, live in 2 minutes, secure check, as I told you before, 30-day money back guarantee. And not only that, you will get the email by 2 minutes or less. And also, if you need help with your email or something like that, the support will be with you easily and quickly. So that's how you can do it, guys. Now just click here on order if you like it, and then you will here on the payment page, just click on that promotion code, just write how to, and then just click on apply it. And then when you apply it, you will find here the 80% off for a month. Then just write your email address, as well as your email address for your company, your car information, your car number, month and year, and CVC, as well as your full name, color card. Then just select the country, and if you prefer saved information for future payments, you can do it, but if you don't prefer to save, just don't select it and subscribe. That is how it works, guys. I hope this works for you. This is an amazing discount, so please try it. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give a thumb up to this video.